Yo, to this Vlogmas day one, you feel?
On the top, hop on your beat, take that shit, fuck your bitch, bring it to the fire, take it down with my Glocks now. Down sorry, broke your heart. I ain't love you from the start. FNC under my brother, love them like this shit forever. We gon' pull AMG, run them donkey.
Yeah, LuhhJosh back in the bed, man. Back with another video, man. Hey, this Vlogmas day one. Yeah, LuhhJosh back in the bit. Back in the bit. Yeah, LuhhJosh back in the bit. Hey, Vlogmas day one. I ain't gonna lie. I want to do this, bro, but hey, shout out to the dude in the comments said, one of my supporters, she said, vlogging, so, hey, you feel me, vlogging, to the day 25th, to Christmas, man. I ain't like, I always wanted to do this, like, you feel me, it's gonna be lit, it's gonna be lit. I got a lot of stuff planned for y'all, I ain't gonna lie, so, hopefully y'all come on this journey, you feel me, support it. I love y'all. So, hey, today, we gonna, what should be the first day? Hey, after y'all see this, comment what should be the second day of Vlogmas. Or should I just name it day 5? Nah, day one. So, comment catch up. So, comment down below what should be day 2. And once y'all see this, I'm gonna drop this today, so comment down below what should be day 2 of Vlogmas. Let me know day 2. So, anyway, today I'm gonna be just about the tree. It's gonna be about the tree, putting the tree. I ain't gonna count. We already put up the tree, but Ooh, mountains keep me in the valley. Whatever say, hide me from the rain. My God is awesome. Awesome. You feel me? Our God is awesome, fool. Like, you feel me? But hey, I ain't lie. We're gonna get straight to the video. Let's do it. Like, comment, subscribe, roll to 5K. You feel me? I love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep God first. I got the little pajamas. Hey, I ain't lie. I'm gonna be wearing these. Me and my sister gonna be wearing these on Christmas Day. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm matching PJs with a female, so vlog that of me matching with a female. Let me know. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I do wanna match PJs. And that'll be smooth to record it, I ain't gonna lie. So, y'all let me know if I should record that when I match PJs with this female. But, yeah, we can get straight to the video. Let's do it. This man Polo is a straight goofy. Look at my dog, bro. What's up, hello? Surprised you're not moving away. You be normally moving away, bro. It's my Polo. Polo. Paw. Show y'all the tree. That's the tree right there. Tree is right there. Let me show y'all. And they got the Christmas PJs on. You feel me? This is like 9 feet tall. This tree tough though. Tree tough. You see the details. I should have showed y'all me putting it up. Well, my grandma putting it up. Should have showed y'all that, but it's tough though. Ain't gonna count. And we got presents under there already. Some under there. Hey, it's gonna be filled up by 25th though. Day 25th. Nah, day 25th. I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna have matching PJ. Okay. With the staircase. Christmas lights. Huh? Shut up, Mike. Hey, so I ain't gonna lie. We finna go to the store, so. Brush my teeth. I gotta brush my teeth because we finna go to the store. Where's my toothbrush, bro? Oh, okay. Okay. I already know about this bathroom. I know about this bathroom, shawty. Cat, man. Hey, every time I wake up, man, make sure y'all pray. So woke up, though. Take the bloody teeth. Okay. So I just wash my face, brush my teeth, you feel me? Hey, you know, count. I might have to change the fit. I might have to, hold on. I might have to change the fit, I ain't gonna lie, cause I might change the fit, cause we finna go to the store, so like, you gotta like put on good, you ain't good, so it really, what I'm finna wear though, fool? Hey, I'm not off finna wear. I'm finna wear this. Okay, smooth, so I'm gonna show y'all. This what I'm finna wear. Hey, also shout out to a comment on TikTok. I had made a TikTok and this dude said he been watching me for like so long. Like he been watching me since I made channel, and like I make his day every day. Like that's really like what it's all about, bro. Just making y'all day, and making y'all happy, like feel me? Cause we don't know what everybody going through, so I just try to make everybody happy. And just that's just my purpose is to make people happy, spread the word of God, and just be a light to the world, to the people, light to the people. Feel me? Cause sometimes people they need this, so feel me? But hey. Let's get back to the video. So I'm gonna wear this jacket. This is my jacket. God's glory apparel. You feel me? Hey, I dropped these like when I dropped these early this year. I ain't gonna lie. They went stupid though. They definitely went stupid. Ain't lie. They definitely went stupid. Y'all definitely fucked up. I'm finna change it. I'm finna wear this shirt, a white tee under it. And I'm gonna wear these joggers. I'm gonna wear these joggers. I got these from Luxury Depth. These shits is hard. I ain't gonna lie, fuck those. So God's glory, zip up. You feel me? Then we go Luxury Depth pants, and then we finally go. Nike socks. Let's put Nike socks on. Don't mind that. Gotta clean my room, but I don't mind the room shot. And just, you know, little stuff right there. Little drinks. Little boy. Little drink. Little ball. You hear me? But, hey, this the fit. How this works. Okay, this the fit. Hold on. This the fit. We got God's glory loves you, dude. And then we got on these slides. We got slides on. You feel me? We got the slides on. Come on. Like, I'm really stepping for real. I'm stepping on some shit. You think I'm stepping? And then we got the Dewey on. Gotta ride the Dewey. I gotta make sure to keep it away. I gotta put the best, you know. I'm gonna get y'all when we get to the. I'm gonna catch up with y'all once y'all okay. Ooh, just made it to a little Target. You feel me? Finna get some Christmas ornaments.
It's this way.
But yeah, Luxury Dell. Okay, guys, glory on the jacket. See me? It's so bad. I like this store calm. The store's so calm, bro. I feel with Target, bro. But on Christmas, you gotta make cookies, bro.
Yeah, this way. Yeah, cookies.
Ooh,
That's a grandma section. Gingerbread, cookies.
But I know we're gonna make what's in that? That's food, like what's in that? Tired of crabs, bruh. Crab, I'm tired of crabs. You can't like crab. Crab be like, I don't know. I like shrimp more though. Let me know down below. Y'all like shrimp or crab more? Jeff. Jeff. Where? I got slippers on Uggs. We gotta get Dang, we can't even match for Christmas, bro. Oh. Almost fell. Okay, we get this store. And like, bro, Target better than Walmart. I ain't gonna lie. Target bigger, bro. Peaceful, yeah, facts. What is you looking for? Okay. Slippers. Oh yeah. Okay, smooth Christmas tree. Kind of look. Nah, that's not our Christmas tree. Our Christmas tree. Shit. Okay. Okay, Lord, show that. Right, show. Sad.
I know it's gonna be over our baby section. Which is the baby oil?
Okay.
I can show you this.
Okay, you can show it, baby. Lead the way, baby. We got the little hair store right now because they didn't have the stuff that we needed. Target store. And we got the hair store with Lamalo. I ain't gonna lie, this hair store big as shit. Nah, facts, bruh. Okay. Bro, y'all gotta let me know down below which day 2 vlogmas. What y'all want day 2 vlogmas to be? You feel me? Like what should be the? Feel me? What should be day 2? Feel me? But I gotta catch up, bro, cause it's already day 5. Oh, day 4. What happened? Yeah, it's day 4, so I gotta catch up, bro. I might drop 2 today. I might drop 2 videos today. So when y'all see this, y'all gonna see day 2. But yeah. Okay. What you finna get, bro? Okay. Oh yeah. Ma.
No, where's that? She just had that.
I think you had this one time before, right? Oh, Ma.
Yeah, I have one. I have 2.
Oh, yeah. Okay. But y'all know every time a girl come to the store, take 30 years, bro.
Loafer? Ew.
What?
Oh,
nah.
I did. I knew I was going to get that. It's like a little scrub thing.
For a shower?
Like, yeah, like a rag type. But it's like.
Oh, yeah, I need some out.
To get over here.
That's right. What you looking for? Yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all back when we get to the Walmart. Okay. Thank y'all. Have a blessed day.
You too.
Chipotle for the win. I ain't gonna cap.
Chipotle
Thanks to
for the
Lil Milo.
win.
Thanks to Milo. Okay, Milo.
Yeah.
Thanks to Milo. Ain't gonna lie.
Go ahead.
Don't be like.
Don't be like you know.
Hey, you got Chipotle. I ain't gonna lie. Chipotle, I ain't gonna cap. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna end the vlogmas on dish. Like, you got Chipotle. I ain't gonna lie. We got burritos.
Feel like Walmart. Didn't that thing, bro?
I don't know.
The frick? Which way do I go? I'm not going that way. I was embarrassed. That shit I was gonna go.
I don't know. Might fit. Nah, cause we're not gonna be in there for that long. So,
Okay.
but I know I'm gonna do it for day 2 though. So, I ain't gonna lie. In the vlogmas, day 1 on this. You feel me? Hey, appreciate y'all. Hey, shout out to the person that said do vlogmas. So, feel me? Shout out to him. I'm gonna put the comment right there. But yeah, hey, we on the road to 5K, man. Hey, shout out to my little sister, Milo. Feel me? We in this bit. Hey, y'all already know, man. Lil Josh out this bit, man. Hey, keep God first. Feel me? God always believe in you, so just talk to God every time when you going through something, or even when you're not going through something. So, feel me? Just keep God in the center of your life. Love y'all, man. Okay, Chipotle. Burrito.
All nigga beat feet. Me and my gang, we going up. We try to shit in your bitch gut. One girl for a body hole. We passing it to the bro. Point a fat nigga, make him roll. Last night we was in that bra. Made a little art nigga crawl. Fuck art, bitch, shit it raw. Hit from the back now.